Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases, from arthritis to heart disease. But the good news? What you eat can either fuel inflammation or fight it. In this video, we'll count down the top 12 most powerful anti-inflammatory foods that can help heal your body from the inside out. 12. Mushrooms. Mushrooms, especially medicinal varieties like reishi, chaga, lion's mane, and shiitake, are loaded with beta-glucans compounds that modulate immune function and reduce inflammation. Reishi and chaga are known for their adaptogenic properties, helping the body manage stress while lowering inflammatory markers. Lion's mane supports brain health by promoting nerve regeneration and cognitive function. Shiitake mushrooms contain lentinin, which enhances immunity and may help reduce tumor growth. These mushrooms also contribute to gut health by fostering a balanced microbiome. Incorporating them into your diet through teas, powders, tinctures, or whole food meals can provide long-term anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting benefits. 11. Garlic. Garlic is a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse, primarily due to its active compound, allicin. Allicin helps lower inflammatory cytokines, which are linked to chronic conditions like arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and even neurodegenerative disorders. Beyond inflammation, garlic supports immune function, reduces oxidative stress, and has potent antimicrobial properties that promote gut health. Studies show that garlic can help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and enhance circulation, making it a heart-healthy superfood. To maximize its benefits, consume garlic raw or lightly cooked, as high heat can destroy some of its beneficial compounds. Fermented black garlic also offers enhanced antioxidant properties. Number 10. Magnesium-rich foods. Magnesium is an essential mineral that regulates over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, including those that control inflammation. Low magnesium levels are linked to increased inflammatory markers, making it crucial for immune balance. Foods rich in magnesium, like pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, spinach, and almonds, help relax blood vessels, reduce stress, and decrease inflammatory cytokines. Magnesium also plays a role in preventing insulin resistance, a key factor in metabolic diseases. If your diet lacks magnesium, consider supplementing with magnesium glycinate, which is easily absorbed and gentle on the stomach. By increasing your intake of magnesium, you support cellular function and overall inflammation control. Number 9. Ginger. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory root that has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. It contains bioactive compounds like gingerol and Sjögren, which inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory markers, such as cytokines and prostaglandins. Studies show that ginger can reduce muscle soreness, joint pain, and even symptoms of osteoarthritis. It also supports digestion by stimulating stomach acid production and easing bloating. Try adding fresh ginger to teas, smoothies, or stir-fries for a natural anti-inflammatory boost. Whether fresh, dried, or as a supplement, ginger is an easy and effective way to keep inflammation in check. Number 8. Berries. Berries, including blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries, are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins. These compounds help neutralize free radicals that contribute to chronic inflammation and oxidative stress. Berries also contain polyphenols, which support gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. Regular berry consumption has been linked to lower levels of inflammatory markers like CRP, which is associated with heart disease. Additionally, their fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing insulin spikes that can trigger inflammation. Whether eaten fresh, frozen, or blended into smoothies, berries are one of the tastiest ways to fight inflammation. Number 7. Dark leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are some of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. They contain high levels of antioxidants, fiber, and polyphenols that combat inflammation at a cellular level. The vitamin K found in these greens plays a crucial role in regulating inflammatory responses and preventing excessive immune activation. They're also rich in chlorophyll, which helps detoxify the body and support liver health. Incorporating dark leafy greens into your diet can lower the risk of inflammatory diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and even neurodegenerative disorders. Try adding them to salads, omelets, or smoothies for a daily nutrient boost. Number 6. Raw dairy. Raw grass-fed dairy products like butter, cheese, and kefir are rich in beneficial fats, probiotics, and fat-soluble vitamins that regulate immune function. Unlike processed dairy, raw dairy contains enzymes and beneficial bacteria that support gut health and reduce inflammation. The omega-3 fatty acids in grass-fed dairy help balance inflammatory responses, while vitamins A and D play essential roles in immune regulation. Kefir, a fermented dairy product, is particularly beneficial for those with digestive issues as it replenishes the gut microbiome with probiotics. If you tolerate dairy well, choosing raw and grass-fed sources can be a great addition to an anti-inflammatory diet. Number 5. Egg yolks. Pasture-raised egg yolks are an underrated superfood when it comes to fighting inflammation. They are rich in choline, which supports brain function and reduces inflammatory markers linked to neurodegenerative diseases. Egg yolks also contain essential phospholipids, which play a role in cellular repair and immune function. Unlike conventionally raised eggs, pasture-raised eggs have higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which contribute to a lower inflammatory response. Additionally, the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin found in egg yolks support eye health and protect against oxidative stress. Including high-quality eggs in your diet can promote overall wellness and inflammation control. Number 4. Bone broth and collagen. Bone broth is a healing elixir loaded with amino acids like glycine and proline, which support gut integrity and reduce systemic inflammation. Collagen, derived from bone broth, helps repair the gut lining and supports joint health. Many inflammatory conditions, including autoimmune diseases, originate from gut dysfunction. By consuming bone broth, you provide your body with the building blocks needed for tissue repair and immune modulation. It's also an excellent source of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Whether sipped on its own or used as a base for soups and stews, bone broth is a must-have for anyone looking to reduce inflammation. Number 3. Wild-caught fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are among the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These essential fats are known to reduce inflammation by suppressing the production of inflammatory cytokines. Studies show that a higher intake of omega-3s is linked to lower risks of heart disease, arthritis, and even depression. Unlike plant-based omega-3s, which need to be converted in the body, EPA and DHA from fish are readily used by the body. To get the most benefits, aim to eat fatty fish at least twice a week, or consider supplementing with high-quality fish oil. Number 2. Turmeric. Turmeric is one of the most potent anti-inflammatory foods available. Its active compound, curcumin, blocks NF-κB, a molecule that triggers chronic inflammation in the body. Curcumin has been shown to be as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs without the side effects. However, curcumin is poorly absorbed on its own. To enhance its bioavailability, consume it with black pepper, which contains piperine, or with healthy fats like coconut oil. Turmeric is beneficial for joint pain, brain health, and even metabolic disorders. Whether in curry dishes, golden milk, or supplements, adding turmeric to your routine can be a game changer for inflammation. Number 1. Red meat. At the top of our list is grass-fed red meat and organ meats. These foods are often misunderstood, but they are packed with nutrients that support inflammation control. Grass-fed beef is high in glutamine, an amino acid that repairs the gut lining and reduces inflammation. It also contains higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids compared to grain-fed beef. Organ meats like liver are among the most nutrient-dense foods, providing vitamins A, B12, and zinc, all essential for immune regulation. When sourced properly, red meat can be one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods in your diet. Which of these foods do you already eat? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on optimizing your health.